So now we are at OMK Food Village. भाई अंदर जाके अपना ऑर्डर दे रहे हैं और लिटरली अमेजिंग प्लेस क्योंकि एक ये लाइटिंग यहाँ की एम्बियंस को एकदम शाइन कर रहा है और पीछे जो है अंधेरा है पर आपको दिख नहीं रहा होगा. देयर आर चाइनीज़ नेट्स एंड वी आर एट द बैक वाटर्स. तो यहाँ पे अपने ट्राम से भी अपने सचिन भाई और सभी लोग आ चुके हैं एंड अंदर भाई जा चुके हैं. तो अभी वेटिंग चल रहा है और अपनी इजी इज ओवर हियर. So these are the things which makes means when you go travel, meet people who are from the region and they invite you and they give you the food what they think is the best. फूड के बारे में बात करता हूँ तो मुंह में पानी आता है यार. Sorry. Which is the best and which is really authentic. I think this is all about. This is another experience when you are traveling on a motorcycle. जैसे लखनऊ में वहाँ का खाना हर जगह जो वहाँ का खाना मिलता है ना, मैं ज़्यादातर वो खाना मिलता है तो मैं कैमरा छोड़ देता हूँ और खाने पे कंसंट्रेट करता हूँ. तो अभी साबू भाई आने दो, खाने के बारे में ये बात करेंगे.
Junaid bhai.
Literally, Sabu
Try
bhai.
this. This one is tapioca. Tapioca with coconut milk. We call it pal kappa.
Pal kappa.
Ah.
Kappa is tapioca.
Exactly.
And I know one thing in Kerala.
Which one?
Tapioca is called in different things in north and south.
True that. We call it pula, maraccini. Has got kolli.
Yeah. And I
And how
know
you-
it because of.
It's not just with tapioca. It's same with many other like if it's papaya.
Yeah.
It has got more names than tapioca.
Yep.
Ah.
But this is another dish, another fruit which goes everywhere in the world.
Yeah. And meet Mr. OMK Uni, proprietor. And he's a big time YouTuber. He has got more than 1 million subscribers on YouTube.
Amazing. Sir, I'm not. I'm more of a rider.
ഇവിടെ കറി കഴിഞ്ഞോടാ മുളക് കറി
And that mirchi flavor and the milk, tapioca and green chilies. Suleman Chai, which has to wait for few seconds. And here, the best part of a fish is upper here, the center part if you want more meat, or the tail which has more taste and bone. So I'll go with the tail, where wow.
Can you guess which fish is this?
I eat fish. Whichever it
This
is.
is an Asian sea bass. We call it kalanji.
Kalanji. Wow. The sweetness
Yeah,
and the flavor
yeah.
and the best
That
part
sweetness
is
is from this caramelized
onion and the meat. I'm telling you, see this? Soft. And it melts like butter. That's the best part. And neither overcooked. Wow.
Fresh prawns
Fresh.
from here only.
झींगा जो बोलते हैं ना झींगा वो. Till you don't get yourself dirty, you're not eating food.
That's true.
I already had one mouth and this is my second mouthful. Oh here, the coconut pieces, flavor, and this is shrimps, not prawn.
Prawn, smaller one.
Smaller
Tastes
one.
better.
Tastes better,
Yeah.
flavors are better,
True.
and it soaks up the juices. And मैं बोलते बोलते पहली बार मैं फूड के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ. Thanks to him. Calamari, which is also known as squid.
Squid.
Already looking at the masala, पानी आ चुका है. The best part is the way it has been cooked.
Perfect.
अगर
It's not all.
यही चीज if the same thing if it was not cooked in a proper way and it would have cooled down like this, because we have so many things and I kept them waiting, it would have become rubbery. But this one is not chewy at all. It is nice and it is also giving that flavor and it is soft.
With
See
bare
that?
hands.
With bare hands like Bear Grill. Come here, open it, twist it, move it. Then you
Yeah,
have
man.
the delicious meat.
Pro. Eat like a pro.
Eat like a pro. And over here, this one, the best part is you break it, you pull it.
And I'm very bad at eating crab.
See this?
Yeah, I don't have that patience.
You twist, you twist, you twist, and it comes out. This is the, and you can play also. You should not play with the food, but I play with the food. See this? So you know how much of crab I would have had.
True that. From Goa only.
No, Kerala. Kerala, Goa, Bangalore, everywhere. And this is the part where you should not think about what to do. This part, what you need to
Just
do is...
eat it. Exactly. That's the right way.
And the juices.
Exactly. You are eating
flavor.
in the right way. I appreciate that.
Thank you. Seafood, fish, and everything is my favorite. All time.
Eating like a pro. Look.
That's my dad.
Keep the masala aside.
Okay.
You remove the bones, you keep it here.
Okay.
And here comes the meat, which you keep it next to the masala.
Okay.
Then you keep the meat over here. Because what happens is when you are eating a fish, so over there you need to know the anatomy, especially with the head. Okay. So with the head, this is the jaw, which went over here. This is the side where I'm looking, you know what I'm searching for? I'm searching for the cheek. Near the cheek, there is a very amazing meat.
True that.
And that's a delicacy
Exactly.
in a fish. So that comes somewhere over here.
Yes.
So this is the cheek of a fish, which is really good. Tender, soft,
Yeah.
and it's a delicacy.
True that.
And then we turn the head, and when you're talking about majority of the, what do you say, the flavors and the health benefit of a fish, is another one, is this part, the head, which has got amazing oils, amazing flavors, and a lot of health benefit. Clearing up the whole portion. Then let's go for the brain.
Junaid Bhai, how are you gonna eat this?
No, ma'am, there's nothing inside.
Really?
See this?
Try.
It's all empty. You can use it as a soup. Like this. To take this masala like this and eat it this way.
Done and?
Dusted.
Yeah.
And now
That's-
finishing
that-
with a bit of lemon tea. Suleman.
Sulaimani.
Are, एक minute. It cleans up your belly because of the tea, lemon and sugar, which refreshes you again, so you can start your palate again.
That's Junaid Bhai's masterclass of eating.
अभी समझ लो खाना कैसा था. सॉरी, हाथ भी गंदा है और
That I
has
am eating.
taken me to the best place. पेट भर गया है पर जी नहीं भर रहा है. I want to eat more because the flavors are like addictive.
Yeah. Just look at his plate.
ये देखो. These are the things what I have had and this is my plate.
And after this raid, Junaid Bhai will be taking a masterclass on how to eat fish.
तो जो भी है जैसा भी है, खाना हो गया, सब कुछ हो गया. Thank you so much, Sabu
Pleasure
Bhai
is mine.
and Sachin Bhai and
Sabil.
Sabil and
Both
Sachin
from
Bhai
Kochi.
and
Sabu Bhai.
Sabu Bhai और जुनैद भाई. आज के लिए जुनैद चेटा आज चेटा हो गया. तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही. मिलते हैं अगले एपिसोड में, देखते हैं कहाँ तक जाता है. तो थैंक यू.
Bye. Look how beautiful this place is.
This place became more beautiful because of this man, big man, very big man on the food, the channel.
OMKV
He's a YouTuber.
Fishing.
OMKV
KV Fishing.
इनका YouTube का चैनल है. You can go and see. He is already 1 million plus watch. The second round of lemon tea.
My third round.
मेरा second round है.
Cheers.
Cheers.
How is Junaid Bhai? Just taste. Which one is that?
Mango,
How's it?
green mango,
Oh.
and with chili. It's amazing.
This is refreshing, right?
Refreshing, and it's already going to be 1 o'clock. And I was thinking that only the food saga will end the vlog, but it's Kerala. It still continues with food, especially with food and the song. Cheers.
Junaid Bhai.
After the training program, साबू भाई मेरे को खींच के लेके आए यहाँ पे. मैं जब बोल रहा था मैं इस जगह सो जाऊंगा, पर
Okay.
खींच के लेके
Just
आए.
try this fish. Actually, this one is native to Kochi.
Oh,
You won't find anywhere.
okay.
There's a story.
There-
There's a story behind this fish.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's so tender.
There was a MP from Kerala.
Mhm.
He used to bribe Indira Gandhi with this fish. Trust me.
You can bribe me now. What is this fish called?
Tirda.
Tirda.
You won't find anywhere else.
Mm.
And another thing, just check the tenderness of that meat. I bite. You can eat like coconut.
Actually,
Yeah.
very good.
And now this one is Kalanji, Asian sea bass.
साबू भाई, मेरे को मोटा बना के छोड़ोगे.
Scampi.
What is this?
Scampi. Freshwater lobster.
Okay.
Oh.
No.
Just show the size.
See, the size is this. The best way to remove is to open this.
Junaid Bhai Masterclass.
See this? Now you hold this. You hold here. Twist. Pull out. And this is the lobster, full meat. And this is the head separated.
Okay. Try that prawns. You're gonna love it for sure.
Again, do the same. Twist. The shell is out. Here. The tail is still intact.
How's it?
Gyros. The coastal.
Now try this gravy with your rice. Just try this gravy.
You're going to kill me, dude. You're going to. If I'm here.
Okay.
From a motorcycle vlogger, you made me a food vlogger. What an influencer. You are an influencer.
True
for
that.
sure. Food under Sabu. Go and follow. Everybody has to come here. What is
That's
this
why
place called?
I kept on insisting you to come here.
No, what is this place called?
Kartini. Okay, okay. Okay. എന്താണ് കറി എന്താണത്? Okay, I'll try. Thank you. Actually, that's a compliment for us. They gifted their new dish to get feedback. Come on. I want you to taste it first, even before me, even before others.
That's what I'm doing. I'm tasting from a motor vlogger. He made me a food vlogger. This is mango curry.
Yes, mango.
Wow. First time. Are you kidding me?
How's it?
It is settled. Muringanka.
Yeah, Muringaka. Muringaka is good for health.
It's good
Has
for
got
health.
many. It's got many advantages. It's aphrodisiac. Truth, bro.
I'm alone, don't know.
And don't finish that. He needs it.
Okay.
Yeah.
It is for this hot weather. This particular dish with that mango, and I think there is curd or milk. No, I think coconut milk.
Okay, coconut milk.
Coconut milk, mango, and the subtleness of Muringanka. I'm telling you, I think it's the best dish for the summer.
Okay. Then here you have mackerel. Wanna taste it?
I'll give a okay point for this.
Okay.
So,
Who is the winner?
food under Sabu.
I am the winner. Then runner up.
I'm the runner-up.
Okay, so first runner up.
So, I'll change my channel name to Food under Sabu Part 2.
Yeah.